Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we're taking a look at this beautiful 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This one is the Lariat package in the star white metallic paint. Beautiful looking truck. You will have front and rear parking sensors on here, and this one's powered by the iconic 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. And you do have the Tremor off-road package here, so you have 18-inch machined black painted aluminum alloy wheels with 35-inch Duratrek all-terrain tires. This does have the 6 3/4 bed, of course, your dual exhaust. Really beautiful truck. This one does have the high capacity trailer tow package as well. Your different trailer connections here, your rear view camera, your little side steps in the bumper there, and then you do have the nice tailgate step back here as well. LED bed lighting, and we do offer spray and bed liner if you like also. Coming around to the interior of this truck, really nice black ActiveX trimmed interior, very comfortable seating. You do have heated rear seats back here. There is cup holders that fold down. You also have the power sliding rear window, and then you do have the partition fold flat storage. Heated rear seats, USB ports, power outlets, climate vents, and storage behind the driver and passenger seats. Coming up front, you do have the power telescoping and folding trailer tow mirrors, which is really nice. Driver seat memory here, power windows and locks, of course, B&O audio system, plenty of storage in the doors, power adjustable pedals, automatic headlights, very comfortable front bucket seats that are heated and cooled, and they do have lumbar support. Stepping into the vehicle, you do have a heads-up display there, your 12-inch steering column display there, and then really nice heated steering wheel here. You do have adaptive cruise control and your lane keeping system. Your 12-inch center display, if you throw it in reverse, there's your rear view and 360 camera, your brake controller, Pro Trailer backup assist, different 4x4 modes, and your locking rear axle. Dual zone climate here, plenty of power options up front, wireless phone charging, and then you do have a little cover there if you like. Then you have different cup holders. I like how you get the larger cup holders on the Super Duty. Remote start there on the key fob, plenty of storage in the center console with a couple more USB ports and a sliding removable tray. It is a locking center console as well. Plenty of storage over here in the locking glove box. You do have some storage just above that also. Your 3-prong and your 12-volt power are there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, spot for your sunglasses, power sliding rear window controls, your sunroof controls, your reading lights. You have a universal garage door opener as well. So a really beautiful truck that we just got in. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 to ask for Ryan, or any time of the day directly at my cell, 647-546-9348. You can text or call me there. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.